Hello students, today I am going to teach you a basic topic for computer science information practices, that is Introduction to Python Programming. So this is the topic, Introduction to Python Programming, and here I will tell you which software you can use if you want to execute Python programming and how you can execute, and I will show you also how you can execute. So for if you are a non-programmer, then you need to understand the first thing, that you need to understand the basics of Python programming and write and execute simple Python programs like print statement, which is used to print a statement, and recognize the application and importance of Python in real world situation. And you have to refer to the textbook, which is NCERT, and you need to go through the IDELE, that is Integrated Development Learning Environment. So how do you think programming language like Python helps solve real world problems? Because we can do any mathematical calculation. What are some everyday application where Python might be used? This is one of the question. What are some everyday application where Python might be used? So this question needs a search. We need to know what are the real main application of Pythons are: web development, machine learning and artificial intelligence. And in web development, Python is extremely used in web development due to robust framework like Django and Flask. We need to see what is Django. We'll see what is Django. Django was there in class 11 to 12 computer science. It is a Python web framework where we can download also Django. Django was there in 11 12 computer science, where students need to make a project using Django. This is a web framework. Get started with Django. It is actually Django, D is silent. Now download. I have clicked on download already. Django is being downloaded. How to get Django? So in Windows, I need to write pip install Django 5.2. I'll copy this. I'll open IDLE. IDLE. I have IDLE Python. So pip install whatever we want to install. In Python, we can use pip install, pip command. So using pip command, when I'll write pip command, pip install, syntax error. Let me try pip install Django, and I will run this module. Let me see whether I will be able to run or not. I need to set the location as desktop. When I have clicked on desktop, invalid syntax, pip install. Wait a minute, let me see. Windows, I need to write. In Windows, get the latest official version, like, and install with pip. So, how we can write using here? So, you can write Django. So, let's move forward. After that, if you could create a program, what would you do? What would we can do? We can open an IDLE, and I will click on new program, and I will write suppose a equals to 10 and b equals to 20. B equals to 20. Python is case sensitive. Then I will write c equals to a plus b, and I will write print c, means I want print statement here I am using. You can see I was telling you Python programming, basics of Python programming, where you need to understand that we need some variables to store the values, and we need a commands to get the output. Print is the command which will give you output. Before running, we need to save it. So I will save it. It is again one program for sum. So sum2.py. I will keep the location as it is, or might be I have changed the location, but still I got the answer, that is 30. Now So this was a slide for now activities. So a short video and demo of a simple Python program, a game or animation. Let me see how we can make a game or animation using how we can make these are some of the creative things while teaching. If we don't want teaching should be boring, then we can make like this. How we can uh, make a game or animation using Python, or animation using Python. How I can make a game or animation using Python. So let me see spelling mistakes. So maybe I'll get the wrong output. So let me see whether I will get it or not. I'm getting the result. How we can make a game. See, I got the code. Pygame 0 is a beginner friendly framework built on top of Pygame, designed to make game development more accessible. Pygame. Now I need to write Pygame, Pygame, where I can make games. So Pygame front page, Pygame documentation. This is a software where you can make games. Pygame homes, quick start. So welcome to Pygame. Once you got Pygame installed, pip install Pygame or pip install pygame. Control command prompt. In command prompt, I will write this command: pip install pygame. I will copy this. I will paste over here and I will run. Pip install pygame. See, I need to write install, how to install, how to execute pip command, how to execute pip command, execute pip command to install any library. Pygame is also a library. To install any library. To install any library. So how to install pip on Windows? Pip is a package management system used to install and manage software, package or library written in pip, Python. Pip stands for Preferred Installer Program, and these programs are stored on a large online repository named Python Package Index. Pip install package name. So how to install? First thing, we need to install pip itself. Pip is probably already present into your system, so most Python installer install pip. Pip is already running. We need to learn pip because without installing pip, we will not be able to understand. So first thing, we need to install pip. Uh, so before you need pip, ensure that you have already on your system. Open a terminal, Linux, Mac OS or a Windows shell and type the following. Windows shell pip help. See, I have written in command prompt. See, I was getting wrong. I thought it will not execute. I have written pip install and pygame 2.6 and in command prompt, and see my uh, package is already installed, successfully installed pygame 2.6. Means see, I have already installed pygame. Now I can proceed to my next command. Let me close this. Now this is pygame. Now I have installed Pygame, which is a library. Just now I told that it has a set of library. Now example file showing a basic Pygame. I'll do just one thing. I'll copy this file. I'll copy and I'll go to my IDLE. I will open a new file and I will paste it. I will keep the name as Pygame. New file. The name of the file is sorry. I will save it as pygame, pygame dot py, and the save. When I will run it, it has an error. What kind of error? File pygame dot py, pygame init initialization is not there. Partially initialized module pygame has a no attribute init, mostly likely due to, so it is not executing. Maybe we are missing something. Import pygame. I have many times it happens that you copy a code from somewhere and it is not able to execute. This is programming you need to understand first of all. So, and Python has also of the many one error which is very irritating, that it has means you need to understand how much space you need to leave. Sometimes according to the book we leave some space but it is not executed. So what we have learned, I was telling you how to write a basic Python programming, I told you, and how can you can execute pip, how you can install any library through pip. You just have to write pip command in your command prompt and the library will be installed and you can use it. So students, I hope you have understood this. I have taught a very dynamic and new topic. So view this video. Please do like and subscribe, and write in the comments for whatever videos you want from me. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Toodles.